fun. If there's no music around, our little Saloni too is tired of only fairies and stories. She supposedly is going to be the center of attraction in the party to follow. Here comes the junior KG Dumpty students dancing to the time of Brown Girl in the Ring.
Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. There's a brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. Brown girl in the ring, tra la 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 la. She looks like a sugar in a plum, plum plum. Show me your motion, tra la 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 la. Come on, show me your motion, tra la 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 la. Show me your motion, tra la 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 la. She looks like
That was a wonderful performance. We really enjoyed it, did you all? Then keep cheering for our little children.
नन्ना मुन्ना राय हूँ, देश खासी पाए हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। थैंक यू। मछली जल की रानी है, जीवन उसका पानी है, हार लगात तैर जाएगी, बाहर निकालो तो मर जाएगी। थैंक यू।
And our Saloni is now in her dreams watching cartoons. It is cartoons all around. Noddy, Shin-chan, Bob the Builder, and what not. Keep your feet tapping to the music of Cartoon Remix. Here we have on stage the Junior KG Humpty students, all dressed up as cartoon characters.
अटकन मटकन दही चटोकन ढूंढो बचपन कहाँ गया। अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन दही चटोकन ढूंढो बचपन कहाँ गया। अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन झिलमिल झिलमिल दो नैनों पे झिलमिल पलके तितली सी, झिलमिल झिलमिल दो नैनों पे झिलमिल पलके तितली सी, है बादल या बिजली सी। अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन दही चटोकन ढूंढो बचपन कहाँ गया। अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन अटकन मटकन।
Nody, to przygody autkiem rusza w świat. Nody, na czapce ma dzwoneczek śliczny, który wciąż nam gra. W krainie zabawek on wszystkich zna, wy też poznacie go. Zagości w waszych dziecięcych snach i to nie jeden raz. Nody, Nody, Nody.
नोडी ई वैंटका।
आसमां को छू कर देखा, तारों की गई सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी। आसमां को छू कर देखा, तारों की गई सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी। आसमां को छू कर देखा, तारों की गली सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी। आसमां को छू कर देखा, तारों की गली सवारी, चांद पर भी नाचे हम की तूफानों से यारी। क्या करूं और क्या नहीं, बात किसी से कही, मौज मस्ती की आदत मेरी
राजा बेटा हर कलकत्ता ये बंदा कर देगा उल्टी पुल्टी दुनिया सारी करे वो ऐसी हरकतें हंसाए तुम्हें तो गुदगुदाओगे कोई उसे क्या बोले वो है प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा गटरी का ये बेचारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा सारे लगे बिना क्यों दिखाई दे रही जो मस्ती उसके पीछे है क्या छुपा जो तुम्हारी समझ न आए संतोष चैन नहीं कुछ किया शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा शिंदा प्यारा प्यारा सारे लगे बिना क्यों
रोली के साथ लॉफ्टी और बैगी ने बढ़ाया हाथ बॉबर साथी मस्ती में मगन मिलजुल के करते है काम खत्म Bob the Builder करके दिखाएंगे Bob the Builder हाँ भाई हाँ Pigeon और bird Travis और Spud दोस्तों का है जी ये प्यारा जमघट Bob the Builder करके दिखाएंगे Bob the Builder हाँ भाई हाँ
कार्टून देखते हुए बच्चों को तो हम डांट देते हैं, पर आज मुझे पता चला वो इतना क्यों एंजॉय करते हैं, राइट फ्रेंड्स? And so from here on we move on to our next item.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout down in the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. That incy wincy spider climbed up the water spout. Thank you. Good morning. नमस्ते. My name is हेतवी मेहता. आज मैं आप सबको मदर्स डे से राइम सुनाऊंगी. Mothers are following you if you are good or bad. Mothers are for laughing at your favorite jokes. Mothers are for pushing when you on a swing. Mothers are for baking yummy birthday cakes. Mothers are for nursing you when you are sick. Mothers are for kissing you a sweet good night. Friends, आप सबको thank you.
Which child doesn't love playing with dolls? और गुड़ियों को नचाना अपने आप में एक कला है जिसे हम कठपुतलियों का नाच कहते हैं. आओ देखें जूनियर केजी ग्रम्पी के छोटे छोटे कठपुतलियाँ हमें कैसा नाच दिखाते हैं. Put your hand to welcome junior KG Grumpy students.
मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली रोना मुझको आता नहीं. मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली रोना मुझको आता नहीं. चॉकलेट आइसक्रीम खाऊं मजे से रोटी सब्जी खाती नहीं. मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली रोना मुझको आता नहीं. थम्स अप कोका कोला पीऊं मजे से दूध मुझ
मुझको भाता नहीं। मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली, रोना मुझको आता नहीं। कार्टून नेटवर्क देखूं मजे से, न्यूज़ मुझको भाता नहीं। मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली, रोना मुझको आता नहीं। लहंगा चोली पहनूं मजे से, साड़ी पहनना भाता नहीं। मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली, रोना मुझको आता नहीं। झुमके कंगन पहनूं मजे से, चोटी बनाना आता नहीं। मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली, रोना मुझको आता नहीं। मैं एक छोटी कठपुतली, रोना मुझको आता नहीं। रोना मुझको आता नहीं। रोना मुझको आता नहीं।
Oh wow, that was superb. And once again, a round of applause for our junior KG students.
Picky on the railway line, picky capsules, down came an engine and blow picky stone. Ah, said the picky, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care. Thank you. Picky on a railway line, picky no stone, down came the engine, hot picky so. Ah, said the piggy, that's not fair. Oh, said the engine driver, I don't care. Thank you.
We have all read and heard about the beautiful story of Cinderella, how Cinderella met her Prince Charming and danced throughout the night. But Saloni's dreams are always with a purpose. Let us watch the next presentation by Senior KG students, a skit titled Cinderella.
Have you heard that Cinderella is getting married with the prince?
I don't understand why he likes her more than us. Don't we look prettier than her?
That's true.
I can sing like a nightingale, but she can't.
I can play flute very nicely, but she cannot.
She can just sweep and scrub. But she is nothing more than a plain old housemaid.
I know why Prince likes Cinderella.
Me too.
Cinderella would never say mean things about someone else.
She says please when she wants something.
And thank you when she gets it.
Good afternoon. I would like to buy a pie.
Give me a pie.
Hey, make it fast.
I will take this one, please. Thank you very much. And have a wonderful day.
Hurry up. We haven't got all the day.
Cinderella is always smiling. She says hello to everyone.
That's true. She is not at all like these two sisters.
She is never rude to anybody.
Watch it, you idiot.
Hey, are you blind?
I beg your pardon.
They will never understand why the prince likes Cinderella.
They should have asked us. We would have told them.
From this, we learn we should always use these 4 golden words: hello, please, thank you, and sorry.
She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses when she comes. She'll be driving 6 white horses, driving 6 white horses, driving 6 white horses when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Oh, we'll all go out and meet her when she comes. Oh, we'll all go out and meet her when she comes. Oh, we'll all go out and meet her. All go out and meet her. All go out and meet her when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. She'll be wearing pink pajamas when she comes. She'll be wearing pink pajamas when she comes. She'll be wearing pink pajamas, wearing pink pajamas, wearing pink pajamas when she comes. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye. Singing aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, aye, aye, yippee, yippee, aye.
Yeah, I now realize the importance of the 4 golden words: hello, thank you, please, and sorry. And I think each one of us should use these in our daily lives. The parents of senior KG, of the Cinderella skit and the skits that is to be followed, are requested not to take their children back. The children will stay with us. Children of Cinderella skit and thereafter will stay back with us. And before we have the next program, we welcome the presence of Principal of Vidya Niketan School, Mrs. Mittal Dhakada. Welcome. We welcome you, ma'am. Junior KG.
A little fireman sleeping on the road. Ding dong goes to bed in a row. Up to the engine, ho ho ho. Within the big bike, so So when the fire is out, home then I go back to back holding and walking.
Good morning, namaste. एप्पल मैंगो कहाँ गए थे? बनाना की टोकरी में सो गए थे. बनाना ने धक्का मारा, रो रहे थे. टीचर ने प्यार किया, हंस रहे थे. थैंक यू.
I think our heroine Saloni has been sleeping for quite some time. But it is time to wake her up. But wait. Is she smiling or having one more dream? Yeah, I think she says, Dil hai chota sa choti si aasha. And here we have on stage the senior KG students for presenting the song Dil hai chota sa.
छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल है छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे फूल बगिया में महके हैं जैसे बादलों की मैं ओढ़ूं चुनरिया झूम जाऊं मैं बन के बावरिया अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया दिल है छोटा सा छोटा छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा चांद तारों को छूने की आशा आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा दिल ही छोटा सा छोटी सी आशा मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा
Oh, great performance! यही छोटे से दिल की छोटी छोटी आशाएं उनके सपने साकार करेंगी और आसमान की ऊंचाइयों को छुएंगी और हमें एक दिन इन पर नाज होगा. Very important to share with you. We have our architect of our school, Mr. Manish Bhai, here with us, and he wants to share something very interesting with you all. I request everyone to please be seated and wait for Manish Bhai to come up on stage.
मनीष भाई दोषी जो अहमदाबाद के हैं, जिन्होंने अहमदाबाद के रिनाउंड आर्किटेक्ट बीवी दोषी एंड कंपनी के साथ 4 साल काम किया है और अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट आर्किटेक्ट की प्रैक्टिस है. काकरिया हाउसिंग के सभी प्रोजेक्ट के करीबन प्लानिंग सब उनका है और सबको अगर वो पसंद आया है तो स्कूल का प्लानिंग भी जरूर पसंद आएगा. स्कूल का प्लानिंग किस एंगल से उन्होंने बनाया है उसके लिए अभी वो आपको उसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे. मनीष भाई दोषी.
In the midst of these great children who are performing extremely well, and I congratulate all of you and also promise that next time you don't have to sit in this cramped area and have your annual function. You'll be in a very large space, in a very large area with lush green compound, lush green trees and beautiful ambience. So just get geared and be ready to be there. All of you, children, parents, everyone, people who are joining newly or even thinking to join this school. The brief which was given to us when we were approached for this great project was said or explained in very small format that we want a school, such a school which is not existing at all in the entire region of Gujarat. This was a very small brief given to us. And you tell us what kind of land we should buy, what kind of property we should have for such a school. And you'll be soon shifted to a 10-acre land with a huge school with lot of spaces, lot of greenery, and we are also planning this entire school to be a green architecture school where there will be lot of light and ventilation, no misuse of fancy materials, and lot of open spaces for the children to play, to have extracurricular activities like arts and crafts, sculpture, photography, and so on and so forth. The school decides. So for us, this is a great opportunity to give you something, and probably by calling us over here, they have taken a promise from us to make a good school. And after looking at your enthusiasm and their enthusiasm to build such a great environment, we also promise from our side that we'll try and make this school a wonderful school and probably the best in this entire area. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
And now I want everyone over here in the auditorium to please cooperate with me. Yesterday, as you all must have heard the news or read the local newspapers, there was a major accident that happened at the Vapi railway station, and many a precious lives were lost. And I want you all to just stand up for a minute and to maintain silence, just to pray for all those souls who had lost their lives in that tragic accident. Just a minute, I want each one of you to please stand up, including children, children on the balcony. Just stand up, stay in place where you are. Even small children are requested to please stand up. Thank you, everybody. And we pray that no such incidents happen in Vapi or anywhere around us where we stay or anywhere in the world. Apart from that, we know the very deteriorating state of our Mother Earth, right? And so, on this occasion, when we all are here, also very committed people are here with us today, we want you all to take a pledge to save Mother Earth. And so, I want you all to please keep your hands on your heart and repeat the words with me. Will you all do that? Especially the small children. This is a pledge to take care, and that's a promise that you keep to prevent Mother Earth from, getting destroyed. That is the birthplace where you all are. And we read in newspapers every day that we are losing the precious land to water, to the melting glaciers. And hence, we want you all to take a pledge, stand in place, or even you can sit down. Keep your hand on your heart and just repeat the lines with me. I begin here. Please follow the instructions. We are the children of the nature. We are committed to the nature. And we are taking a pledge to keep this Mother Earth safe and secure to live in. We are going to stop the harms being inflicted on the earth by us in our quest for material comforts and happiness. We will try our level best to control air, water and noise pollution. The main reason for the increasing temperatures, tsunami, fire, epidemics and diseases of crops is our changing habits. We are aware of it and we commit ourselves to break this vicious circle and bring the nature back to normal. Thank you everyone. इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि जब भी आप ट्रैफिक सिग्नल में हो, आप अपने कार्स स्विच ऑफ करोगे, पेट्रोल बर्बाद नहीं करोगे, will not pollute air, children will not waste water, and try to keep the switches at our house off when not in use. And now I request Vaishali ma'am to please come forward for the vote of thanks. And all the teachers are requested to be on stage for the national anthem. When the national anthem goes on, I want children to please stand up, not only children, everyone to please maintain silence and respect the anthem. But before that, we have Vaishali ma'am giving the vote of thanks.
afternoon, everyone. Now the time has reached to come out of the dream into the world of reality. These dreams were presented before you by the motivated, devoted, and dedicated team of VPS. On behalf of staff and management, I take this opportunity to appreciate their efforts. I would like to thank all the invitees and members of trustees for sharing their valuable time with us to grace the function. We appreciate the active participation of parents in file decoration and lampshade competition and for the support of VPS Kid for making the event a grand success. We are thankful to media partners Bhadresh Bhai of JMD channel for their live coverage of the entire program. Vapi Today, Daman, UTV News, Daman Ganga Times, Divya Bhaskar, Sandesh, Gujarat Samachar, and all other print and electronics media. Our special thanks to Harshad Bhai for providing his technical expertise in recording skit and songs. Thanks to Bhola Bhai of Chirag Dresses and Mahesh Bhai of Agarwal Dresses for making the event colorful and attractive. Our sincere thanks to Mr. Sajid Bhai for light and sound and Dhiru Bhai for stage decoration. Thanks to Tarj for capturing long-lasting memories and choreography and for videography. Special thanks to Hiren Bhai for providing delicious snacks to all the participants and for providing nutritious and tasty lunch throughout the year. Our special gratitude to VIA for providing the auditorium. Last but not the least, the strong pillars of the program, our support staff, Bahadur Bhai, Rupesh Bhai, Ranjit Bhai, Raju Bhai, Lakshmi Masi, Manish Bhai, Ashish Bhai, Lakshmi Masi, Jayanti Bhai, whose silent and sincere work at the backstage made this program a complete success. Thank you all. Thanks once again and happy Makar Sankranti and happy Uttarayan to all of you. Thank you very much.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, parents, you are invited for the evening function also. So please do come and enjoy this evening with VPS children and staff. Thank you.